Which of the following boxes should replace the question mark to complete the pattern? So we have a 9-figure matrix and we have to find a relationship between boxes to help us work out our missing 9th figure. Now I always break it up between the rows and the columns just to separate the information. And starting with the first row, I can see that all 3 boxes have the exact same things inside and are also connected in the same way. It's a black line and on the end is a rectangle that's white. Now it starts off vertical with a horizontal rectangle, and then it switches to horizontal with a vertical rectangle, and then again back to vertical with a horizontal rectangle. Now because the shape itself isn't changing, but it is moving from the top right to the bottom right to the bottom left, we could say that it's moving 90 degrees clockwise. But it's not just that the shape inside is moving 90 degrees, because it's the exact same shape, we could say the entire box is moving 90 degrees clockwise, and that's what we get in the next one to the right. So let's test this theory on the last row. If it were turning 90 degrees clockwise, we would expect everything that's horizontal to become vertical, and everything vertical to be horizontal, which is exactly what we see. It goes from horizontal to vertical, and then back to horizontal. And we see that with the 2 white rectangles as well. Vertical, horizontal, and then back to vertical. So now let's look at our missing figure. If we were simply going to turn the first box 90 degrees clockwise, we would expect to see this white rectangle vertical on the left. We would expect to see a black line in the middle going horizontal, and then a black line on the right going vertical. And when we look at our answer options, D is an exact match to this, so D will be our final answer.